Hey Mark, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's a 2016 Street Glide, has a black tab exhaust. Here we go. The bike is very nice, very clean. Has a back rack for luggage and the backrest for a passenger with a single lock for the bags. The footpads are upgraded. Even this is like chrome and rubber, they are always still functional. The cold air intake, it's a solid steel, it's not just some cheap parts from eBay. This is upgraded as well, so you don't need the key to open the gas tank. Lock for the bed wing. This is a Harley's custom up the shoulder windshield. Comes with of course the GPS, cruise control, the engine guard. This is a special comes with the matching colored pieces, as they all are burgundy or kind of dark red. LED light in the front, tow shifter, hill shifter, and it has, let me see, okay, here we go, 7,912 kilometers. The price for this motorcycle, before I advertised, I can do $25,000. The 2018 black one was sold for $28,800. So it's a huge difference in price, and this bike is just awesome. Sounds amazing, rides amazing, and it just came in, not advertised. So if you have any questions or if you're interested, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. I have a Heritage 2015, I have a 2014 Fat Boy, I have a 2009 Road King, and the 2013 V-Rod. So if any of these motorcycles are what you're looking for, just come in, take a look, or just give me a call. Thank you.